Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are live this morning, and I kind of traded a little bit before the open here for sure. I did a little bit of trading. It went really well, and it went really bad, and I'll tell you all about it in a minute here. But um, so we don't have anything to cover this morning. Other than that, I would just say that trading is hard, but we just got to keep showing up. That's my word of encouragement this morning because all we really got to do is just keep trying methods that will work, and we'll find that we stick to it and make profits. So I'm in the process myself. I've been trading for 3 years now, and I'm still in that process of and I know what I can do to be profitable. That's one of the reasons why I opened this channel, so I can keep, um, you know, posting stuff on here. Because when I talk through my thoughts doing my live videos, I tend to actually make wiser trading decisions. I should be honest. So that's why I'm on here. It's better to trade on here because then I'm explaining basically to myself, even though you guys are hearing or you guys are kind of seeing what's going on, but basically to myself, like, why am I doing this? Why is this going on? So with that being said, so if you see all these like squiggly line stuff, I got in few trades this morning. I got in one trade last night. I got stopped. I didn't get stopped out. I was in the green, I was in the red, I was in the green, I was in the red, and it was midnight. It was time to go to bed. So I think I closed the trade with a negative $20. And then I woke up this morning around 3 to use the bathroom, and I set a trade. I wonder if that was yep. So I placed a trade here overnight. It's crazy because I placed a trade overnight. The trade did not hit until the news came out this morning at 9 o'clock Central Time, and this candlestick right here just shot up and just stopped me out like within 5 minutes. And I was like, shit. Now I got up like 5 minutes right after when that happened, came to my desk and saw that it happened. So I was like, shoot, that's kind of crazy. Then after that, I got in another trade here where you can see this one. Yep, I got in this one. I made some profit all the way to the downside here. And then I got in another trade down here. I think I got stopped out or something, but overall we are all about $195. And the goal here today is day 5. I'll show you here. Take profit. I'll go to my accounts. So today is day 5. So if we can get $3,000 today, why did it say $5,970? Oh, okay, it is actually. So if we can get today, if we can get about $3,000, that would be great. If not, we're not going to fight it. We are just going to wait and see, what the next day has for, what Monday has for, what Tuesday has for. So we're not pushing it, we're not rushing it because, again, I have to keep in mind, the purpose of this account. The purpose of this account, excuse me. The purpose of this account is to be able to, I'm not sure why my fan is making that kind of noise, but I'll see. So again, the purpose of this account is to be able to get payouts and get my Apex Trader funding accounts and get my Fast Track trading accounts and buy more accounts. So that's the purpose. So I'm not really rushing it, and I should not be rushing it. And this is why I'm taking my time with it. So if we don't get a pass today, we'll come back again Monday. So that's how I will see it as. And there's really no need to rush anything, to be honest. So, but we are in NQ this morning. Again, guys, go back and watch my videos, my previous videos. And I call out this before all these moves happen. I kind of thought about it in probability. I was like, okay, this trade might go up here, it might do this, it might do this. didn't do it exactly like I was thinking. But if you come up here, this was on Sunday. I said that the market, market maker are probably going to, because everybody, this is a very, very obvious, you know, let's say pullback or whatever you want to call it, high time frame. This is very obvious. Everybody, even a beginner trader, will find this. And so the market makers, not in hindsight, but like I thought about this. I was like, you know what? The fact that this is very obvious, they know that people are going to be waiting here. It's possible they can just shoot right through this and get up here in this gap right here that you see, and try to stop a lot of people out here. And then when the market get up here, that's when they're going to have that reversal basically. So I feel like that's what was happening. And the reason why I have this on here is it true what you see and then what you think, because based on what I was thinking here that was going to happen, I kept trying to go short when the market was even barely up there, and it just chopped, as you can see this chop right here, and eventually yesterday just made that, that drop. So and it kind of make this right here, as we can see, this bounce all right here. I don't think this bounce is really solid, and the reason why I say that on a 1 hour time frame here is because whenever a drop like these happen, right, in my experience, whenever these kind of drop happen really, really rapidly, and then the market just like take its time right back up, like, and it get to a demand zone or resistance zone. One second, guys. Oh, you got it? Good. So when the market gets to these kind of demand zones, I see this, I kind of like as a nice demand zone, but it's not, it could be getting supported by this, but this right here is not really just clear to me, okay? And the fact that when the market makes these kind of move, rapid move to the downside or upside, and then it just grinds, like with a retracement, it tells me that the buyers or the seller, in this case, the buyers are not really strong. The seller are still in control, and they're still taking care of things, right? So, I mean, I'm gonna still kind of be biased. Now, again, I gotta remind myself to trade what I see and then what I think. So I'm gonna remind myself that, it's possible this can, retrace all the way back up and just keep going to the moon, or this trade can keep, doing what it does. So, but other than that, let's go on the 4 hour time frame and try to find more confirmation. We see on the 4 hour time frame, already have a doji candle basically here already. Got that 4 hour drop, and then the market just grind above and close, above and close. I don't know what time this 4 hour will be done, but if this closes red, that will give me the confidence that the market is about to go down. Yeah. So you guys, if you're just joining, this is Jelly Trades. We take trades on here live. Everything we do here is live. We don't take any trade behind closed door and post our great results online so that people can see and be like, oh, you're a great trader. Nope. We lose on here, we make money on here. You see our struggle, you see our gains, and this is what we do pretty much. So, and then gold on the other hand, okay, let's go back to NQ and complete that, right? I'll go on a daily time frame here. Let's go on 1 hour. 1 hour. We're gonna go back on 1 hour time frame and keep doing our market analysis on that. So let's say if we're taking this as a trend. If I was taking this as a trend, I would consider this position right here as a previous swing low right here. And the reason I say that is because the market is making consistent waves to the upside, right? And this was the biggest pullback. Even though this is the in the meantime, this I consider this the previous swing low. But even if this market breaks down here, the target I'm going to be looking for is going to be right here, because this is where the biggest like buyer type thing happened, the last time. So I'll be looking down here for the market to pull all the way down here. But this will happen probably next week or another time. But yeah, so I'll consider this. So if I'm gonna go right now, if I'm gonna take any trades on here, I'll already be looking at tight stop losses and um tight stop losses, and also I'll be looking at scalping. And that's one of the things I do is that I have to remind myself consistently that whenever I gain a trade, I want to know if I'm going to be scalping a particular trade or I'm going to be holding it for quite a bit, right? Until it goes to my profit target or whatever. So I got to keep asking myself that. So I consider this, and with this bounce, it might be valid for a little bit, and this can go up here. So if we're going to go up, you probably want to be looking for, see, on our 5-minute time frame, at this point we don't have anything long that will tell us like, hey, it's time to take trade. What was supposed to happen here, I feel like already did happen, but I don't know if I were like, if I was setting my trade, set and go type thing, I don't think I'll place my entry all the way here. I probably will have my entry more like down here, to be honest. Is that 5 minutes? Yep, probably will have my entry more 6 p.m. This all happening 22, yep, yesterday. So that barely came down there, but like right here, yeah. But this doesn't show any of that to us, even though it made a bounce here. But yeah, so it probably made a bounce off of this here. So we'll see. We probably will keep going long here. Now I feel like I got confidence to go long, but I just gotta wait for the right trade to do that. So we'll see. It's right on at the simple moving average. Come, man. See? Now it's pushing up. Yeah, all this right here just happened in 41 minutes. Go ahead to make $3,000 today. Can we do it, guys? I think we can. I just don't want to over leverage. I'm going to start with one contract. If I see it going in my favor, again, I jump in another contract. Man, this trade this morning was like the most beautiful trade I took this week so far. Jump right in here, market. I didn't push up a little bit and then just dump in my favor. My stop, my take profit were right here, but then I got scared because the market said I pulled in, but I got scared. I took it out, and the market just ripped right through. I was like, yo, how about we go short on this here? I think this will be a good spot to go short. We shall see that forming. And this is where I initially thought I was going to go short. So I'm going to place a trade right here. Let me take some of these lines off of here so it's clear and looks better here. Or maybe I'll have it like this. Have this really, really tight. So this is probably like what? 1, 2, three, four, 5 to 1. If this trade hit, it's about a 5 to 1 trade. Okay, guys. See, it look like the drop is coming. The drop is coming. Yeah, see on the daily time frame here, this is kind of giving a confirmation that right here, just giving me confirmation that, see, yesterday I said if this was going to close below here, so it giving me confirmation to kind of go against the trend in a way. We're gonna take one trade. I don't want us to chase price. I'm chasing price right now, so I'm out of that trade. Oh, look at that, guys. 30-point drop. Are you kidding me? And I think we are gonna, yeah. Wow. Look at that. Now I'm scared to chase the price. This was all the way up here. We could have jumped in there and have made a crazy amount of money by this time. But we got scared. Caught it. I think this 40 point here is gonna go red. So if I get in a trade here, yeah, I want to jump in a trade right here. No, oh wait, I'm getting FOMO into this trade now. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm not gonna get in a trade. All right, guys. See, that's the thing about chasing price, right? I'm glad I didn't chase it, but I'm gonna take one contract right here
Order filled.
and just pull my 46.67. That's about okay. I'll be right back. I want to just Wow, guys, look at that. I kind of said that, right? Look at that. I probably want to gather this tray and try to go find another tray I can jump in later on. Cause I'm not liking this pullback. Wow, that's freaking dope. Hey, I'll cut it right here. I'll take
Order
that.
filled.
And we'll find a better opportunity to get in next time. Now, guys, we just gotta make another 2 grand. This can possibly just keep going now, man. Yeah, I'll be right back again. All right. So here we are, guys. You know when we were talking about this trade up here, when it came up here and made this half candle, it's more than half candle actually. Retest. I wish we got in up here, but basically it is what it is. That's what we get. What they say, you get, you don't have a fit. Okay, here we go. Just a drink. Yeah, you want to say hi to the people? So waiting for our next opportunity to take our trade on here. Beep beep. Let's go. Beep beep. Look at that. Retracement. Justice. Look at this. Gold is pulling back so hard. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Are you going to be trading? He's going to be trading, guys. He and his two brothers, they're all going to be traders. Yep, they are all going to be trading. They are. All right, guys. So I'm going to wait and watch this here because, yeah, you. I will chew the edges so you don't swallow it. Yeah, you can chew one. Yeah, hold it. You can chew one of them. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. Man. Man, look at that drop. All right, guys, we are gonna call it here. Sure. That's bitter. Why you eating that side? I probably would take another tray, just because I'm want to try to pass this account. To be honest, so I will take another trade on here. The bottom is bitter. I'm not sure. You like the bottom? But yeah, so there that is. We are calling our day here. Thank you guys for hanging around. Peace and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.